Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I have an affordable drugstore makeup routine for you guys. So if you want to know how I do my makeup routine when I want to use all drugstore, all affordable products, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Hey guys, what's up? All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So normally I don't do my eyebrows on camera. I low-key don't feel like I do my eyebrows any type of way that's like exciting, but I'm gonna show it just because this is a drugstore and I'm using drugstore products for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional Makeup Eye Pencil. This is in the color Black Brown. It's pretty hard to find, but whenever I do find it, I always stock up. And then what I'm going to be taking underneath to conceal my brows is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix in Deep Dark. Okay guys, so that's how I do my eyebrows. Honestly, I don't have any high-end eyebrows. All my eyebrow stuff are drugstore. I either use, like I just used the NYX, or this one is from the beauty supply store. I don't even know what brand it is, but it's like $1. So everything I usually use is drugstore because listen, y'all got money out here. And even if you do have money, you do not have to be spending it on all these expensive things, okay? Like, we like a smart queen with her money, okay? So moving on to the face products before I annoy myself, let me just go ahead and blend out my concealer down. I really cannot believe it's Halloween. Like, that is so crazy to me. It is October 31st, 2021. And tomorrow is November 1st, and it's the start of the holiday season. Y'all, I love the holiday season. Like, I'm actually gonna put up my tree tonight. And I don't care who gotta say anything. Like, I put my tree up on November 1st. So, well, actually I put it up on Halloween, so it'll be up on November 1st. Here's the thing, and I know this ain't got nothing to do with drugstore makeup. I don't celebrate Halloween because my parents never let me celebrate Halloween. I'm Nigerian. We don't believe in that holiday, right? And it's like serious, you know, obviously a lot of people be like, you know, oh, it's devil worship, da 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 da. Like, you know, we don't celebrate it when we go trick-or-treating. We don't celebrate it when we give out candy. When I say my parents had nothing to do with that holiday, like nothing to do with the holiday. So it's just implanted in my brain that the holiday don't exist. So I put up my Christmas tree on Halloween. Anyway, besides the point, let's get to the face. So I do have oily skin, so I am going to be taking the e.l.f. matte putty primer, and then on top of that I like to use powder to kind of set that, and it also helps with oil control. The words is kind of rubbed off because I've had it for a long time, but it's the Airspun loose face powder. You can get it at the drugstore as well. You can get it, I got this one at Walmart a while back. So that's what I'm putting on my face to act as primer. Okay, now that I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, we're gonna go in with foundation. Now this is probably my top favorite foundation from the drugstore, and this is the Maybelline New York. What does this say? Child, I cannot read. Maybelline New York Up to 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 380 Espresso. Y'all, I love this foundation. I did a foundation find on this when it first launched. Well, the second launch, because the first launch didn't have the shades deep enough, and they did the second launch. So annoying, I know. But I love this foundation. It is the perfect shade, and I love the coverage of it. Yeah, you guys, this foundation, look at the color. I love the color. It's literally my perfect match, which is why I love this foundation so much. It's already dragged down. It just leaves like a semi-matte, not semi-matte. It leaves like a demi, what is that? I'm so weird. A demi-matte finish, and I love it. It looks so good. Oh, I haven't used it in a while too. It looks so good, you guys. Like, definitely try this foundation out. They have a good range, and we love a good matte foundation as well. Okay, so for my concealers, now the reason why I would count these as drugstore is because it's on the side that's not prestigious in Ulta, and it's literally right next to all the drugstore. So I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place concealers. I'm gonna be using 2 shades. I have it in the shade 7 and then in the shade 9 just for a little extra oomph. I do like a little lighter look underneath my eyes. So these are my concealers for today. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Bronze Bronzer in the shade Deep Dark. Okay, and then to go ahead and set my under eye, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I have this in the shade Deep. I'm gonna go ahead and also put on the Fit Me Powder 360 Mocha as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera because I'm just not that skilled. I cannot do it, okay? And I'm gonna also put my eyelashes on off camera because they're not drugstore. So this is the eyeliner I'm gonna be using. It's the e.l.f. liquid liner. I came back. So while I'm waiting for my eyelashes to dry, the little tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with some powder to go ahead and set my jawline. And I'm going in with another Fit Me powder. It's the same one, just different shade. This one is a little bit deeper, and this is in the shade 375. I'm also gonna go ahead and use blush today. It is the e.l.f. blush, Putty blush to be exact. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance Color Perfect highlighting powder. This is in the shade Sun Kissed Glow. And then just so I can just have something on my eyelids, I'm gonna be using the Golden Hour Tammy X Revolution. This was Tammy's collab that she put out a while ago. I wanna say it's been a year. It's been a minute. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Stay All Night Micro Frame Setting Mist by e.l.f. And then let me try to do a drugstore lippy, because I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it because I think I can figure something out. Hold on. Then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Just the London. Sorry. Anybody else a barb? I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses Crystal Gloss. It's a little sticky, y'all. I need a new one. It's a little sticky. It's a little sticky. sticky. I knew I could do it. This is my drugstore lippy. I'm actually really surprised because I thought that I was gonna have to cheat a little bit, and I was just gonna, well, besides my eyelashes, I was gonna have to tell y'all I can't show this because it's not drugstore, but we did it. Let me get dressed and I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Okay, complete drugstore. Only thing that wasn't drugstore was my eyelashes. Everything else drugstore. Y'all feeling it? Y'all like it? Affordable drugstore, y'all like it? Just giving the girls, giving the ladies, you know, some other products to use that won't break the bank, you know? So anyway, if you guys are still watching, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, comment, watch my other videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.